Hi, welcome to my channel 3D Multimedia, and today I'm going to convert a web picture format to .jpg format and place that image into the Photoshop. So let us go to a folder. I have some collection of images inside my folder. So let me choose this image and go to Photoshop and place it here. So I'll get a error message like could not place it because it is in the .webp, that is web picture format. So if it is in this format, you'll not be able to place the image into Photoshop. So let us open Paint. Let us go to the folder where we had the image and choose the image again and place it into Paint. Let's go to File and save it as .jpg format. Let's click on JPG picture and I'm just going to choose one, or I'll rename it to one. Just click on save. It will say that transparency will loss. It's fine. Just click on OK. Let us go back to the folder. Let us choose the image and take it to Photoshop and drag and drop it. So now you can see that the image got placed easily. So if you want, you can adjust the uniformity of this while you have these controls. You can press Alt key and you can place it like this. Just click on OK. So today we have seen how to convert a web picture format to JPG and place that JPG image into Photoshop. Thank you.